Hello! Today we're gonna start stripping everything off my Mini Cooper's engine. From what I've already seen, something is definitely not right. There's signs of damage, things that shouldn't really be happening, but we will see how bad it is soon. So now we're gonna take everything off step by step and see what this engine's been hiding. Let's get into it. Something looks like he's damaged here. Looks like there's loads of bearings everywhere. Smells a lot like burning. Oh, there you go. Is the clutch's bearing that is gone. Hopefully we can still use this. Clutch is gone, look at this. All this damage on the clutch. Not good. Not very good. I need to pull this one out. These are hand tight. There's no water pump in here. So this thing was spinning and spinning the water pump. 14. 13, sorry. There you go. because there's another one hidden just here. And is off. This was right here. There's a 10mm socket here. It's a bit tight. Let's hope we have some oil in here. There you go. Nice. $10 mil. 10 mil. Just another 10 mil down here. There you go. More coolant. Good. The heat shield is coming out. Right, so these boards, they've been stripped by somebody in the past, and we're trying to remove them. And we're just gonna use E11 socket. And we're just gonna tap it and then try to pry it off with, see? Now, slowly, hopefully. Yep, there you go. We're gonna have to do this for pretty much all of them at the moment. Should be nice and easy because clutch bolts, they don't have too much torque on it. This is good. So now I think we can all take all of them out. Let's get the drill. One. Well, I should go straight in the bin. And that's it. Look at all these bolts, all damaged. I don't know how you managed to do so much damage to these bolts because they're only like, what, 25 Newton meter? Here's the clutch. But this is gonna go straight in the bin alongside with this. Now we're gonna try to put this engine on an engine stand because it's easier to work from. This one is going, hopefully. Bang on. Good, good. Then one more, but I don't think this is gonna go anywhere. So I think we should just do the three at the moment. Nice and slow. And another one here. This one needs some. Want to put too much torque in case we're going to crack the bracket. We don't want to crack the bracket. That'll do. And that would do. It'd be nice to do this one, but I can't really see any places where that might go. No. 3 should be alright, I think. thinking if I spin this one, it might work better. Give it a go. Let's release. Crane slowly. We good? We on? Yes, we are. This is holding, this is holding, everything seems to be holding. Guess we're good. Alright, so that's everything stripped off the engine. And we found one serious problem already. The clutch is completely gone. It seems like the clutch release bearing shattered, and most likely this is what caused the breakdown. So in the next step, we're gonna open up the engine and see what's actually going on inside. The previous owner told me that this engine needs rebuilding, but he never mentioned anything about any transmission issues. So if you want to see what we find inside, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.